Okay, so this is gonna be a really fun day. So I told my friend that we were going to a museum in Long Beach. Anyway, what she's about to find out is we are actually not going to Long Beach. I'm taking her to Disneyland, and we're gonna spend the morning there. I told you we were going to Long Beach, we're not, we're going to Disneyland.
Wait, actually?
Yeah.
Oh my god, are you serious?
Yeah.
Wait, I should have listened. Yeah.
Welcome back. Thank you. Wonderful to see you again. Thank you so much. You're very welcome. Happy to chat with you.
Oh, yeah.
We're taking you to Disneyland today. Well, I live with my friend at school. So to go. It's so much fun.
Yeah.
Scuttle tells the whole story. Going to the sea. Ursula's there, but I don't think she's stealing voices anymore.
On Star Tours now.
But I'm very excited.
She thinks it's a roller coaster,
Okay, good.
but it might be. We're on Buzz Lightyear, and she thinks it's a roller coaster.
Oh my god.
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers.
Because I don't like rides.
So we didn't do anything in Frozen, but we just saw it. What do you think?
And it was unbelievably insane and beautiful and perfect. Yes.
Yeah, it was really
It
good.
was amazing.
It was really
literally
good.
was amazing. The effects were amazing. I really felt like I was in Arendelle.
Yeah,
You know?
it was really good. So now we're doing Soarin', and she doesn't know what it is. What do you think it is?
I think it's a roller coaster or something like that, but
See, I wasn't making it up. She actually thinks everything is a roller coaster.
I do. I think everything's like scary and yeah.
It might be. I don't know.
Oh well, find
We'll
out.
see. So we just did Soarin'.
The best thing done today and in my entire life. That was actually really so cool. Oh my god. Hi. Okay.
Favorite attraction that you did?
Soarin'.
Soarin', yeah.
By far. Yes, and that was the one I was like most, well not most afraid of, but very afraid of, and then it turned out to be my favorite one.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And then also meeting the princess was pretty cool
Oh
in
my
the
gosh.
beginning.
Starstruck. Really.
Speaking of
Yes.
stars, Star Tours was really fun.
Oh my god. Yes. That was really cool. Again, I was afraid of it. I'm so glad I
Well,
did
it's because I told you it was a roller coaster.
Yep. Mm-hmm, yep.
It wasn't.
Yep. It wasn't. It was so fun.
It was really fun.
So cool.
It was a good day.
Yes,
Awesome.
it was so fun.
Bye.